Hey guys, my name is Rai and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, ito ay part 2 lamang nung area of specialization para sa mga non-education graduates. So last time yung na-mention ko is yung BS in Architecture, BS in Fine Arts, BS in Home Economics, BS in Industrial Arts, Technology, and BS in Interior Design. So, ang area of specialization na ibibigay sa inyo ni PRC ay Technology and Livelihood Education or TLE. Para naman sa mga graduate ng BS in Agribusiness, BS in Agriculture, and BS in Fishery, ang ibibigay sa inyo na area of specialization ni PRC ay Agriculture and Fishery Arts. Para naman sa mga graduate ng Bachelor of Arts in Music, or BS in Physical Wellness, ang ibibigay naman sa inyo na area of specialization ni PRC ay MAPE or Music, Arts, PE, and Health. And then for those naman na graduate ng BA or BS in Theology, Bachelor of Arts in Behavioral Science, Bachelor of Arts in Christian Ministry, Bachelor of Arts in Humanities, Bachelor of Arts in Philosophy, Bachelor of Arts in Religious Studies, and BS in Religious Education, ang ibibigay naman ni PRC na area of specialization nyo ay Values Education. Para naman sa mga graduate ng BA or BS in Cooperative, BA or BS in Economics, BA or BS in Legal Management, BA or BS in Political Science, BA or BS in Psychology, BA or BS in Public Administration, BA or BS in Business Teacher Education, Bachelor of Arts in International or Islamic Studies, Bachelor of Arts in Marine Transportation, AB and Sociology, Bachelor of Commercial Science, Bachelor of Laws, BS in Accountancy, and other business and business-related courses, and BS in Criminology, and BS in Office Administration, BS in Social Work, BS in Tourism and Hospitality Management. Ang ipapahawak naman sa inyo ni PRC na area of specialization nyo ay Social Studies. Para naman sa mga graduate ng BS in Family Life and Child Development, BS in Special Education, BS in Early Childhood Education, ang ipapahawak naman ni PRC sa inyo na area of specialization nyo ay elementary level or BE-Ed. So, those specialization na na-mention ko is according sa PRC. So, if you have questions, feel free to comment in the comment section para masagot natin kung ano pa yung mga confusion nyo about sa mga area of specialization or major, particularly para do sa mga gustong mag-take up ng 18 units or 21 units or 24 units of teaching education. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching this video. I hope meron kayong natutunan, and I hope nakapag-share ako ng valuable information sa inyo guys. That's all for today, and thank you. See you again next time. Bye!